If you want to hard reset your OnePlus 15R by using recovery mode, then first of all, of course, we need to go to the recovery mode. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time. There we go, to open the power menu. And we're gonna slide up in here in order to restart the phone. Once we restart, you want to press and hold volume down. And now just keep holding volume down until you go to the recovery mode. So you have to patiently hold it. There we go, we have OnePlus logo, but you still want to keep holding this button. And there we go. Now we have the language selection, so we can go ahead and choose English. And then in here we have the format data option. After that, we need to enter this code, and you should be able to erase all data and perform hard reset of your phone. In case you go back to the main page of recovery mode, just tap on reboot device and confirm. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.